Hey, what is happening, guys? Your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at the iPhone 10, and let's see if we can do something about this back so that we can be with the trend of the red version. Here we go. First, we need to take off this back part that I already have here. First thing we need is this thing. Now, how do we install this now to here? Here we go. You'll have to align these holes here. Same with the sides. And these sides as well. Just like that. And then you would heat up this area.
Give it a press. Now let's do it on top. Let's do the corners.
You would align this area as well, and then you would gently press on it all the way down, just like that. And then I did the exact same thing on this side. Now, what do we do with these sides?
As they're heated, just pull them right just like that. And then you gently hold it in with your thumb. That should do it.
And then you repeat those in the four corners. And this is it, guys. You look at that. Beautiful, right? Link it down in the description. On D brand, they really make skins that are premium made. They don't break. It lasts a long time. They usually have sales and whatnot. Bought this one during Boxing Day. And yeah, it's very, I got it for cheap. I think it was like 40% off. And it's very nice build. Here you go, guys. This is the product red iPhone 10. It's one way to do it, I guess, since Apple's not offering us an actual product red. Yeah, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.